all the campers for the Tankwa Camino. This is fantastic.
Fantastic, in the middle of nowhere.
What is written on that sign? For sale. Beachfront property for sale.
Occupation 2050.
Global warming. What is it? Global warming?
Properties. Global warming properties Tankwa. So it says beachfront property for sale.
Yes.
Occupation 2050. Global warming properties
Tankwa.
Tankwa.
That's funny.
They have such a sense of humor
That is
here.
brilliant. Fantastic.
I love that.
Can't pass this. Just look at it and drive on. There's a boat, everything. Tankwa Cowboys. Okay. Zwartkop Farm kitchen. Okay, we're going to stay in the kitchen.
No. We might visit the kitchen.
Yeah. Zwartkop Guest Farm, that's us.
That's better.
Okie dokie. Is this the kitchen? Reception farm kitchen.
Yeah, so we'll come here for Wi-Fi if we need it.
Okay. What do you call the solar panels?
Yes, lots of.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's not as if we're just going to waltz down to the farm kitchen to
get Wi-Fi. Waltz.
But let's see, maybe we have signal and you don't have to.
Oh, who knows?
Isolated is not the word, eh?
I think it is what we saw.
Yeah.
From
That's
the road.
Yeah. Wow. Wow, wow, wow.
Quite cool, eh?
Man, oh man. Is this it?
Yeah.
Yep.
This is it.
Wowzer. Beautiful. Love it. Wow. This is a nice little cabin, eh? Sonia calls this a wigwam. We can sit and eat and do whatever. There's a braai. Bath as well, outside bath if you want to bath here in nature. But it's a cold bath, that's for sure. And then a braai here. And this is our place. Look at this. This is stunning. They said that this was their lockdown project. So they kept themselves busy during lockdown. And these switches, what are they? Look at those little lights. Cute, eh? And there's a mosquito net for over the bed. They left us marshmallows. I must say they did a stunning job here. I love this. And this is the bathroom. It's not an ensuite, but it's an outside suite. Basin, toilet, and your shower. Perfect. Close this. Have a walk around the outside. Look at this Karoo. Solar panels here. Gas geyser. Wow, beautiful. You know, with the type of work we do, you don't get away from it. So we just came down to the farm kitchen to get some Wi-Fi so we can check emails and stuff. But look at this place. There's a pizza oven, dry area. This is awesome. Swimming pool. There's a nice pool as well. And this bar area is incredible. Look at this. Wow. Stunning. Good morning. Yeah, just woken up. It's a lekker morning. Check that sunrise here behind me. Wow. Can't beat that, eh? We are on, what's this farm's name?
Zwartkop Guest Farm.
Zwartkop Guest Farm. Telling you, it was freezing again last night. It's supposed to be hot in the Karoo. It is.
It was freezing.
Ice cold, ice cold. We nearly died last night from the cold. But I'm telling you, what a wonderful stay. What a wonderful stay. Let me turn this around. Look at that sunrise. Wow. Early morning sunrise. Can't beat this. Gonna sit here and have some coffee with rusks on the foot of this little hill.
I was looking for the bookies.
I don't see any bokkies. I didn't have a bath last night either because the water was just too cold.
You're not going to have one this morning.
Not this morning either because it's going to be even cold. I'll have a hot shower.
We saw evidence of bookies in the road yesterday, but we haven't seen them.
No. Oh,
Do you see there the engraving in the cement there? When this was their lockdown project.
Oh, really?
Zwartkop Guest Farm, June 2020.
oh, the 25th of the 6th, 2020.
Yeah.
Wow.
So cool.
Yes. So they kept themselves busy in lockdown, eh? Just listen to how quiet it is.
You walked up and down this path a few times.
Uploading.
What a great place this is, eh?
Stunning place to stay.
Yeah, enjoyed it.
Off the grid completely.
They are off the grid.
Totally off the grid. No signal, no nothing.
That's true, eh?
Totally off the grid.
But it was fantastic.
Yeah, they've got solar for electricity. It's like no cell phone signal, no nothing. It's
Great
awesome.
showers this morning.
No, awesome. Beautiful place.
So you're ready to hit the road.
Let's hit the road. This is Pilgrim's Cabin. We spent the night here. And everybody warned us that we were going to die of the heat. It was actually the opposite. It was freezing. I'm telling you, I can't get this weather. The weather is weird. It's supposed to be boiling hot, but it's like freezing.
The wind and the cold follow us though.
I really enjoyed it, yeah. It's so off the grid. Bye.
Bye, Pilgrim's Cabin. Such a peaceful place.
Such a beautiful place.
Silent.
Yeah.
That's what I love.
This is where we came to catch up on a bit of work. Check emails and stuff, the farm kitchen and reception. But what was interesting is that the farmers in the area get together once a month on a separate farm, and last night was this farm's turn. And they had a few drinks and had made pizza and everything. Really interesting to see.
And we met 3 of them who arrived.
Very nice.
Yeah,
very nice
people.
Such calm and chill farmers, you know. It's like.
But how else? With this environment around you 24/7.
Exactly. And I must say the host
Was fantastic.
Take my hat off to her. Fantastic.
Yeah, one determined lady.
Telling you, get up and go. She can't sit still for a minute. We've reached the main road, yeah. And this road, you'll see once I'm gone through the gate, I'll show you. As you can see, this is the main road. Well, not the main road. This is a gravel road all the way from Calvinia through to Ceres. And this is where they do the Tankwa Camino hike. And I think I've got no idea how far it is. I think it's over 200 kilometers. They do it in 7 days, apparently. And as you saw in the previous video, we passed a few. I'm going to see if I can ask someone to chat to me and find out why they're doing it. I'm going to see if this guy will chat to me. Yes. Hi there, how are you?